Hello all, this is Bhuvan. Today I'll be presenting about my project. Let's start with front end. In front end, I have created using React. Now, as for the main function, SRC is my main function. In that, I have used app.js and app.js JSW is for like entry point of that, and index.js for styling. And I use hooks for the API calling. And if you have seen, in the hooks, we have fetch video, handle uploads, and create task and delete the video. And for the services, I have used is like the messenger of that. And as for the components, we have layouts, and as such we have components and layouts. It deals with the UI part. And basically, how it works is basically this entire application holds a variables like videos and loading. It contains functions to handle videos, upload videos, and create tasks. And the overall, which is app.js, it's the main orchestrator of everything. It calls use video data function to get the current state. It passes down data to the child components, and the API layer, which we used in service.js, handles all that. We just call video API dot get videos to handle errors and correction details. And styling, we have used Tailwind CS. So summary, the hook manages the data, the components manage the UI, and the app.js connects them together. This updates the code clean and easy to maintain. Now coming to backend, backend is built using, we have used Prisma for to connect with PostgreSQL. And how the backend was is basically the SRC is the main file of that. We have controllers, routers, services, and index. Basically, like controllers, what the controller does is take as in the front end part when you upload the video, it uses the code called muter. In the muter, instead the file upload, saves the raw file to the uploads folder, as you can see here. And once the muter saves the file, the collector takes it over and adds the database primer to create a video recording with its name and size. And starting the process, we used to post/API process. It takes the ADN variant and pass it down to the controllers. In controls, it passes down to the task dash controller. In that, it validates that input and checks if the video exists and tells the database to create a task with a status queue. See with the status queue. And uh, it is the pot as the process continues, the controller calls the process task to check if there are too many applications are running or not. If the number of applications is less than two, then the queue will be converted into procedure, or no means it will be stay in the line. And by using FFmpeg to actually convert the video, we are actually converting the video and processing it. And for every 10% of the process, it updates the real database. And the APK simply took the database and sends back the task for every video, 1, 2, 3. It has as a progress, like 45%, etc. The front in the front end draws the bar, and for downloading, when the task is completed, the database stores the output file path. This end part looks up to the path and streams the file back to you. And as for the demo, this is the uh, overall view of our project. As you see, now I'm uploading the file. Let's upload a new file. Okay, let's upload this file. As you see, as uploading the file, I basically got the output of that. Now I will create a new variant. Let's take MP4. I will create generate variant. As you see, there are two ways of processing auto simultaneously. As I two, they are in that. Suppose if I take three, see it's not coming. Basically, it's in queue. It basically in queued. So as the process is progressing, it takes some time to generate. Once if it's generated, we can directly click here to download that. As you see, it's downloading and it's progressing also. As you see, this is my project. I will be uploading file. Let's select this one. Take control now. Now we'll select which one do we want. Now let's choose MP4 variant. Now click on generate variant and let's choose MP variant again. Click on new. What will be on processing? It will take some time to process. We'll wait for that time. And you can see the database where it recorded. Let's load up this. I'll see which are complete and which are processed. These are all the database which we need. Now currently these are running. Let's go back and see one is being processed. Let's wait for some time. So you can see like one total is one active and one completed, and we can download the completed file here. You can see the download is completed, and we get successfully downloaded the video, and we'll be playing it. So basically, this is a project. This is the whole part of it. Thank you all. Signing off. Boa. Thank you.